Hey guys, it's me, Robert Gaming again, and I'm going to show you to the new car. Wait, let me see which one is it. There it is, that's the new car. Ain't she a beaut? This is actually our new car. No, I'm not joking. This is actually our new car. And I don't know why the hell this is flashing. Well, let me just open it. Right, let me show you inside. Shh. Hey guys, it's me. I meant to tell you guys, it's me, Robert Gaming, the person who's in Robert Gaming. Actually, here's the news. I got myself a new phone, and the old one got smashed. So that's why I'm making my YouTube channel all over with brand new videos, and you'll find them great. Just look at the car. It's so great. Wait, there's something that good. There's the windshield right there. It's supposed to open. Forgot about that. Right, let's see. Piece of crud. Wow, just look at this car. Me and Karen got our own doors to open up. Shit. Car. This is our new car. And also got one of these bad boys that windshield's down. Shabam. That's the new car, guys. Remember to subscribe and like, and remember to look at my old YouTube channel, Robert Game. I missed that YouTube channel as well, but I'll do my best to find it. Bye, guys.